Oh, that was a good one. All right, Matt, let us know why you came in today.
Some shoulder pain and upper back pain,
Uh-huh.
and some pain in my lower back.
And you said you had chiropractic adjustments before, but it's been a while, right?
Yes, yeah, I've been adjusted pretty much my whole life since a very tender age of 6 months. But it's been about a year and a half since my last adjustment.
All right, so this is not new to you. It's just been a while.
Yep.
And then we'll see how you do, okay?
Sounds good.
All right. And you said you like manual adjustments, correct?
Yep.
Felt that one, didn't you? Tight right through there. You all right?
That was good.
Yeah. Oh, that was a good one. Whew. Chin up a little bit. And turn over to the left.
Ooh, got that in my lower back.
Yes, sir. AC joint was on the right side that you had that problem with?
Yes, yep.
Right.
But yeah, that upper back one was definitely the one.
Yeah, yeah.
I felt
It was
release in
definitely-
here.
It was stuck quite a bit. It wasn't easy to adjust.
Yeah, it was good.
Good.